Good morning, everybody. Today we will see the hotspots of biodiversity. Biodiversity hotspots are regions with very high levels of species richness and high degree of endemia, that is, the species confined to that region and not found. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied 15.7% of the area Earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3% area of the earth has been left over with the sensitive spots. It includes 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. As far as India is considered, out of 135 species of animal, 85 species are found in jungles in eastern region. About 1,500 endemic plant species are about Western Ghat. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. See the three endangered heritage places of the country, namely Western Ghat spread over the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Shown in map, has been endangered due to mining industry and search for natural gases. Habitats of white bison and Asiatic lion of this region have been under threat. Next endangered heritage place of India is Manas Sanctuary. Manas Sanctuary of the Assam is under threat due to dams and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino of that region are under threat. Other endangered heritage place of India is Sundarban Sanctuary of West Bengal. It is reserved for tigers. However, the tiger population and overall the local environment is seriously challenged by dams, deforestation, excessive fishing. Now we will see the endangered species. An endangered species is a species of wild animal or plant that is in danger of significant portion of its range. A species is considered threatened if it is likely to become endangered within the foreseeable future. We will take a look some of the most endangered species. Ivory bill woodpecker. The ivory bill woodpecker is the most critically endangered species. The Amur leopard, Javan rhinoceros, lemur, northern right-whale, vacuita, black rhinoceros, mountain gorilla. Next point is rare species. A rare species is a group of organisms that are very uncommon, scarce, or infrequently encountered. This designation may be applied to either a plant or animal taxon and is distinct from the term endangered or threatened. Almost 75% of known species can be classified as rare. Number of these organisms is considerably declined. Organisms of these the species being endemic maybe became extinct very fast. For example, red panda, musk deer. Now see the vulnerable species. A vulnerable species is a species which has been categorized by the International Union for Conservation of Nature as likely to become endangered unless circumstances that are threatening its survival and reproduction improve. Vulnerability is mainly caused by habitat loss or destructions of the species home. The examples of such a species are blue sheep, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin, tiger, lion, etc. Now next, indeterminate species. These organisms appear to be endangered, but due to their some behavioral habits like shyness, there is no definite and substantial information. For example, shekru. Always remember, this information are very important for all. Let us remember, let us behave accordingly. First, destroying a plant is to be destroying everything. Next, practice afforestation to conserve environment. Next, forest is wealth. Environmental protection is value education. Provident use of paper is prevention of deforestation. To practice the environment, protection is to be development of human society. Pure air, pure water is key to healthy life. Hope you understand this topic. Thank you all of you and take care.